This video walks you through on how to add text that is underlined in red to dictionary so that red will not be showing. Maybe you're working in Microsoft Word or on a platform on the web and you notice that is underlined and you want to remove that. Let me walk you through on how to do that. I will walk you through on how to do this using few tests I have on my YouTube channel, okay? So I will launch my web browser. So let me get to my YouTube studio, get to the content section. Okay, let's work with this. So I'll click on this edit. So if you take a good look at this place, you will see this test 11 labs, right? They are underlined in red because this program or the web does not understand it as a valid single word, all right? So what you need to do is to highlight the test. So I will highlight these 11 labs first, then right click on it. From the list of options, you will see this add to dictionary. Just select it. So once you do that, it will tell this platform that this word is legit, is okay. So stop underlining it in red. As you can see, anywhere that 11 labs is mentioned here is no longer underlined with red. So if you're working on your blog or any platform on the web that you have access to just take these simple steps and you will add the text to dictionary. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.